Hey friends, Ari Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. Today we're going to draw a dragon. You're going to have so much fun. Let's look at the materials you'll need. All you need today is paper and pencils. You can use colored pencils if you'd like. You can also use pens or just pencil. Basically anything you can draw and color with. Let's dive in and let's start having some fun. So let's start off with a rectangle body and a circle head. Put the circle head up here. And then we're going to connect the body to the head with a curved line, and we're going to make two curved lines like this for the rest of the body. All right. From there, we're going to make two rectangles for the arms and two rectangles for the legs. You can bend them if you'd like. I like to bend them myself. And let's draw a circle for the hands and the feet. Now, do you know how many fingers a dragon has? That's right, it has 3. So 1, 2, 3. So you can make 3 triangles for the hands and the feet, or for the fingers and toes. Okay. Now, just like the other animals, we're going to draw a muzzle. So let's draw a circle here. And let's connect it with a long straight line, like that. And to make the dragon have its mouth open, we can curve this line around. And we can make another line that goes like this, up to here. That's going to be the bottom of the jaw. All right, let's add some eyes. Circle, dot. Now, if you ever feel like you're needing more time, you can always pause and rewind, and just then you can take that time to catch up, okay? All right, what are we missing here? Well, we should add some ears, so we can use some triangles for ears. And we're also missing some wings. So what shapes can we use for wings? Yeah, let's maybe use some triangles. We have one triangle here, maybe one triangle here behind it. And with triangles, with the wings on the triangle, I like to make these curved lines at the bottom for wings. I use that for bats too. And you can use some lines that go up toward the top. Okay, now we can erase some of the lines that we don't need. We can erase this one, erase these lines, and erase some of these lines. And there's our dragon. Okay, so if you'd like to add a pattern, you can. So maybe I'll add a diamond pattern on his body. So we can draw these diamonds all the way down. Alright, and for the nose, we can draw 2 dots here. And if you'd like to have him breathing fire, you make these lines go out like this and have some jaggedy lines. That can look like fire. That's pretty fun. All right, wasn't that fun? And wasn't that simple and easy? So if you liked that video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our videos. We make videos every single week. And we have a special step-by-step guide for you in the link below. So go ahead and click the link below and download it, and we'll see you next time at Creativity School.